First, download the Streamlabs app from the Play Store and open it. Once you're in, tap the gear icon to access settings. Go to Advanced Settings, then choose a theme for your stream. I'm going with a clean black and white theme. Select it and hit Continue. Now go to Streaming Settings, then Video Settings. Set your resolution, for example 720p, and your frame rate to 60 FPS for smooth gameplay. If you have Streamlabs Ultra, enable disconnect protection. It keeps your stream live if your Wi-Fi or mobile data cuts out for a moment. Next, go back to Streaming Settings, then Platform Settings, and pick where you want to stream. Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, whatever you prefer. All set? Just hit Go Live, select your platform, and you're on air, right from your phone. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you need help with anything else on Streamlabs.